this place going to freak you out?
Slip in, find the problem. Hunters will never know we were here.
Why are we?
Marty, you need Dad. I just want to show him I'm a real lion.
As opposed to a chocolate lion.
I know this might sound hard to believe, but apparently, lions don't dance.
What?
As far as my dad is concerned,
As far as the people are concerned, you're a huge hit.
that was New York. This is Africa. It's a much tougher crowd. Marty, this is it. Shh. This is the clock.
Oh. Whew. Well, here's the water.
Marty, stay down. Look at that.
This one. Now, show
It's
Nana.
her.
Is this right?
Oh, very good.
Oh, Nana, slow down there.
Oh, you're a little tangled. No, don't pull.
You need dynamite.
Oh, snap! I just used my last stick this morning.
Evasive maneuver! Sabotage! Squiggly squid maneuver! Squiggle squid! Squiggly squid! No!
Squiggly squid!
Too complex! Octopus! Octopus!
Can't go back to baby King first time.
Run, Marty!
Come on, I can't leave you here.
Go get help! Squiggly squid maneuver! Go! Go! Squiggly squid!